Hello students, welcome to the next class of business studies. Today we are going to start with the last topic of first unit, that is business risk. Students, I'm saying from the very first year that business is not the bed of roses. Risk is always associated with the business, and risk is the essential feature of the business. We all know that business is an economic activity which is always aimed to earn adequate profits in the near future. But students, future is always uncertain. We cannot predict accurately about the future, and the business activities are to take place in the future only. So what is business risk? Risk is the possibility of inadequate profits or even losses in the business because of uncertainties. The uncertainties arise because of unpredictability of future. We cannot make accurate predictions about the future. We cannot know about the future. So as the business activities are to take place in the near future, so business में risk जो है वो हमेशा involved होता है. So what do we mean by business risk? So it is the possibility of inadequate profits. That means we won't be able to earn the adequate profits which are sufficient enough to cover our cost, or we can have even losses in the business. So it was the meaning about of the business risk. Now next comes, what is the nature of business risk? So nature of business risk can be studied in the following points. The very first one is, risk is the result of uncertainties. I have already told you that business is always required to take place in the near future, and future is always full of uncertainties. The uncertainties can be due to many reasons, like it may be due to human reasons. There can be any strikes, any lockouts, there can be any theft, or you can say the uncertainties in the business. You may have wrongly estimated the demand or price, or there may be some sort of competition in the market which you are not able to face. Then there can be any natural calamities. There may be flood, there may be drought, there may be earthquake, which you cannot predict in the present, that what kind of natural calamities can take place in the near future. Then second is, risk is unavoidable, because the risk is associated with the future uncertainties and you cannot predict about the future. So risk is unavoidable. You can always take some steps to minimize your risk, but you cannot eliminate your risk, because you never know what is going to happen in the near future. We all may have planned so many things for our coming session, but you never know that because of this COVID-19 the school will close and there won't be any physical teaching, any physical classes will take place. So you never know what will happen in the future. So you can always minimize the risk. Like for example, we are minimizing the risk by taking the online classes through this online studies, but risk is always there. We cannot avoid it, we can only minimize it. Then third one is, degree of risk varies with the size of business. Larger is the size of business, greater is the risk. जितना बड़ा business होगा, risk भी उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा. If the business is of small size, the risk will also be less. Then next one is, profit is consideration of risk taking. I always say that profit is the reward of risk taking. If you are ready to take risk, then you will be able to earn the profits in the near future. But if you want to play safe, you are not ready to take risk, then you won't be able to earn the greater profits in the near future. So profit will be there only if you are ready to take risk. Even if you have thought of starting the business, then you have taken the risk is always attached with the business. And then next last one is, risk depends on the nature of business. So what kind of business you are undertaking, risk is also dependent on that. Like if you are dealing in some essential items, like if you are dealing in grocery items, or you can say some things of daily use like salt, pulses, or atta, dal, etc., then there is a less degree of risk involved, because there is a minimum chance, that there is negligible chance that the usage of such type of items will decline in the near future. But if you are dealing in some items which are like, you can say, fashionable items, and you are dealing in you are dealing in ready-made garments, or you are dealing in some electronic equipments in which the technology goes on changing very rapidly, then there is a lot of degree of risk involved in such type of businesses. If the fashion changes, then the suppose if you are dealing in ready-made garments and there is change in fashion, and the stock which you have, the items which you have stocked for sale, that may be outdated. So risk depends on the nature of business.